Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust your media and the call volume in these settings. So we're going to open up the settings app. Now here, we're going to scroll a bit down until we see sound and vibration. And here we want to go to the volume section. Now we need to click show more, and here we will have music, videos and games. So this is our media volume, we want to max it out, and calls volume, it has to be at least more than a half, so this setting is good. Now after you max out both of those settings, then what you guys want to do is make sure that you have disabled do not disturb right at the top here. This is very important because it mutes all your calls, notifications, and everything will be silent except for the alarms. And we definitely do not want it since it has a possibility of lowering our volume overall. Next, what we want to do is we want to clean the speaker grills. So we want to clean right here at the top and right here at the bottom. After we clean it with a soft brush, then we want to go over and restart our phone. So this is to refresh our system. This should help us because this gets rid of any minor glitches. Hold your power button for 3 seconds, tap restart, and tap to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, simply put your password back in, and then what you guys want to do is, as a last resort, update your software. So go over to the settings. Now scroll down to System and Updates and tap Software Update right up top here. Now it's checking for updates. We can double check it again, as you guys can see. Just like that, my software is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.